of shadow and stone, where the weary and broken roam. Light of salvation throne, stand firm though I walk alone. Like a lamp unto my feet, through the dust and the burning heat, Jah word remain complete, in the silence still and sweet. Light of salvation, shine on high, shine on high, shine on high. From the heavens most high, from the heavens, from the sky. Through the storm we rise again, Jah remove all fear and pain. Babylon build them walls so tall, but the righteous never fall. Hear the ancient prophets call, Jah Jah reign above them all. Like the river flowing free, so His mercy cover me. Light of salvation be all the truth I seek to see. Light of salvation, guide thy way, guide thy way, guide thy way. Through the night, into the day, into light, into day. Though the wicked rise and stray, Jah love never fade away. From the dust the meek shall rise, truth revealed before their eyes. Light of salvation never dies, even when the darkness tries. On Mount Zion stand the flame, calling every soul by name. None who trust shall feel the shame. Jah Jah ever stay the same. Selah, Selah. Light divine, eternal sign, guide I through the storm, keep I safe, keep I warm. And the trumpet sound again, calling forth the sons of men. Break the chain and loose the pain, let the righteous rise and reign. Light of salvation, ever true, fall like morning's gentle dew. Every heart made pure and new, Jah Jah covenant renew. Light of salvation, shine on high, shine on high, shine on high. Lift thy spirit to the sky, to the heavens, to the sky. Through the fire, through the rain, Jah Jah heal the soul again. Light of salvation, Selah. Light of salvation. Babylon, Babylon, them build them throne pon sand, sand, sand. Righteous fire go cleanse the land. Woe unto them that build hosts by unrighteousness, and use oppression to increase them greatness. Gold and silver stack high to the sky, but the cry of the poor still multiply. Them say peace, peace when there is no peace, but the trumpet sound and the lies decrease. Babylon throne start tremble and shake when the lion roar and the earth awake, awake, awake. but falling at them one snare. Every hidden work soon get declared. Eyes of Jah watch everything them do. Nothing in a darkness can hide from truth. When the flood rise and the fire burn red, many a go run but nowhere fi tread. For the wages of sin is death, and no crown for the one without breath. No crown, no crown. Babylon must fall, must fall. Oh, fall, must fall, must fall. Fire upon the wicked wall, must fall. Fire upon them. Truth and right stand tall, stand tall. Babylon must fall. Out of the ashes the righteous rise. No more chains and no disguise. What was hidden now come to light. Jah reveal wrong from right. The meek shall inherit the earth. No more suffering, no more hurt. From the valley to the mountain high, Jah justice can't deny. Can't deny. Babylon must fall, must fall. Must fall, must fall, must fall. Fire upon the wicked wall, must fall. Fire upon them. Truth and right stand tall, stand tall. Babylon must fall. Now the trumpet sound across the land. Judgment come by Jah right hand. No more lies and no more deceit. Truth alone stand complete. From the east unto the west, every soul must face the test. Give thanks for the breath I take. Righteous path I never forsake. Give thanks, give thanks. Babylon must fall, fall. Must fall, fall, fall. Babylon must fall, fall, fall. Babylon. Be still, be still, and know Jah. Oh. Be still and know that I am God. In the silence, Jah tread. No thunder roll, no fire blaze. Still small voice reveal his ways. Early morn when the dew still fall, no crowd gather, no man call. Just I alone and the rising sun. Meditation just begun, just begun. Silent reasoning, reasoning, reasoning. Deep in my soul, me soul. Jah voice speaks slow and low, slow and low, slow and low. Herb smoke rise like prayer ascend. Carry me thoughts where the heavens bend. Heartbeat slow, no fear inside. Jah presence always by me side. The meek shall inherit the earth. So I no fight fi prove me worth. Walk humble, no need fi boast. Truth live where it matter most. Matter most. Silent reasoning, deep in my soul. Jah voice speak slow and low, slow and low, slow and low. rush. Not in a storm, nor shaking ground, but quiet truth make louder sound. Eyes open but spirit see more than what them eyes can be. World so loud but truth so still. Jah reveal His perfect will. Perfect will. Perfect will. Silent reasoning. Deep in my soul. Jah voice speak. Slow and low. Slow and low. Slow and low. When the pressure of life gets strong, still I stand and hold me ground. No confusion, no disguise. Truth stand firm before me eyes. From the valley to Zion Hill, everything calm, everything still. Give thanks for breath I take. Jah alone never forsake, never forsake. Reasoning, 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 silent, reasoning. Flames, flames of judgment. Tried. Wow. The fire shall try every man's work of what sort it is. Gold or stubble, truth or counterfeit. Woe unto them that call evil good, darkness for light still misunderstood. Babylon throne built on shifting sand, but your judgment come by righteous hand. Every hidden thing must be revealed. Nothing in the darkness stay concealed. Reveal, reveal. Flames of judgment, judgment, judgment. Burning to deception, burning truth. Truth stand firm, no corruption. Stand firm. From bliss, from the bliss. Flames of judgment, judgment, judgment. Burning to deception, burning truth. Truth stand firm, no corruption. Stand firm. Aye. Flames of judgment, judgment, judgment. Aye. Judgment, judgment. Hey, aye. When the trumpet sound across the land, every soul must make a stand. No more hiding, no disguise. Truth revealed before all eyes. For the day declare it by fire. Lift the righteous, save a higher. From the valley to Zion Hill, Jah perfect and sovereign will. Burning to deception. flame, forever exalt his name. His name, his name, oh, his name, his name, oh, his name, his name, yeah. Face of judgment, judgment, judgment. The Lord is nigh unto them that are of a broken heart. Bind up the wound, every shattered part. Tears fall heavy in a midnight cry. Still just see and he draw nigh. Many affliction of the righteous man, still deliverance come by Jah hand. From the valley low where the shadows stay, healing light show the way, show the way. Jah heal the broken, heal the broken. Mend every wounded soul, wounded soul. Wash away the pain inside, wash it away. Through the night, but joy come in a morning light. Heavy burden I used to bear, now Jah presence everywhere. He healed the broken heart and bind their wounds. Lift I up from the deepest gloom. No more fear and no more doubt. Jah love cast it out. From the ashes I begin to rise, see the truth before me eyes. No more chains and no more strain. Jah wash away the pain. Heart once heavy now feel light, guided by eternal light. Every scar tell a story true. Jah restore and make I new. more sorrow, no more pain. After the storm comes sunshine again. Hand in hand we stand as one, under the Father, the Holy Son, as one, as one.
God of the righteous,
Stand as one,
stand as one.
under the rising sun.
Rising sun,
Jah love flow through
everyone.
everyone. Let everything that hath breath praise Jah, from near and far, from where you are. No division, no separation, only love and elevation. From the east unto the west, Jah gather all the truly blessed. Truth and rights forever reign. Jah kingdom shall remain, remain, remain.
Gather the righteous,
Stand as one,
stand as one.
under the rising sun.
Rising sun,
Jah love flow through everyone, everyone. Blessed are the pure in heart, from Jah love they never part. See the light within them shine, sacred truth so divine. No more war and no more strife. Jah bring peace and give new life. From the ashes unity grow, roots run deep and strong below, strong below.
gather the righteous,
Stand as one,
stand as one.
under the rising sun.
Rising sun,
Jah love flow through everyone, everyone. Da 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 da. Na na. Now the people stand in one accord, lift their voice and praise the Lord. Give thanks for the breath we take. Jah alone never forsake. From the earth unto the sky, righteous voices multiply. Sing the song eternally. Jah people forever free, forever free.
righteous,
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 ah ah,
righteous.
righteous.
Gather, gather,
Jah, Jah, heal the broken,
heal the broken.
ja na 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 na. Hey, Jah, the Lord is nigh unto them that are of a broken heart. Bind up the wound, every shattered part. Tears fall heavy in a midnight cry. Still just see and he draw nigh. Many affliction of the righteous man, still deliverance come by Jah hand. From the valley low where the shadows stay, healing light show the way, show the way. Jah
Heal the broken, heal the broken.
mend every wounded soul. Weeping may endure through the night, but joy come in a morning light. Heavy burden I used to bear, now Jah presence everywhere. He healed the broken heart and bind their wounds. Lift I up from the deepest gloom. No more fear and no more doubt. Jah love, cast it out.
Cast it out.
Jah heal the broken,
Heal the broken,
mend every wounded soul.
wounded soul.
Wash away the pain inside,
Wash it away.
make the weary whole. From the ashes I begin to rise, see the truth before me eyes. No more chains and no more strain. Jah wash away the pain. Heart once heavy now feel light, guided by eternal light. Every scar tell a story true. Jah restore and make I new.
Make I new.
Jah heal the broken,
Heal the broken,
mend every wounded soul.
wounded soul.
Wash away the pain inside,
Wash it away.
make the weary whole. Da.
Da 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 da.
still. Be still. Be still. Be still. Babylon, 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 Babylon. Tremble now, tremble now. Hear the sound, the nations rage and the people imagine vain. Kings rise up but them fall again. Babylon system built on the sea. Still the righteous stand upon them feet. Them trust in chariot, them trust in might. But I and I trust in Jah light. When the trumpet sound and the drums roll loud, truth reveal before the crowd, before the crowd, before the crowd. Babylon tremble now, tremble now, tremble now, tremble now. Righteous fire burn it down, burn it down. Truth and rights wear the crown, wear the crown. Down the wicked plot, but just see all. Every kingdom rise and fall. Weapons form but shall not stand. Jah protect the righteous man from the east and to the west. Jah divide the curse from bliss. Hidden works come into sight. Darkness flee before the light, before the light. Tremble now, Babylon tremble now, tremble now. Righteous fire burn it down, burn it down. Truth and rights wear the crown, wear the crown. Babylon, 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 Babylon. The battle not for flesh and blood. Spiritual war, rising flood. Principalities lose control. Just take charge of every soul. When the earth begin to shake, every false foundation break. From the valley to Zion hill, Jah declare His perfect will, perfect will. Babylon, Babylon tremble now, tremble now. Righteous fire burn it down, burn it down. Truth and rights wear the crown, wear the crown. Now the smoke clear from the land. Righteous rise and take a stand. No more fear and no more lie. Truth alone can testify. Give thanks for the breath I take. Every step Jah never forsake. From the battle into peace, Jah kingdom never cease, never cease. Tremble now, now. Babylon, 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 Babylon. Watchman, watchman in the night. Watch of the night. Watchman, watch of the night. The morning come and also the night. Darkness cover the earth so wide. Still Jah truth never hide. I stand firm on the wall and cry. Warning sound to the passers-by. Babylon sleep but the fire near. Righteous voice make it clear, make it clear. Watchman in the night, calling out what is right, what is right. Jah light shine so bright, shine so bright, shine so bright, shine so bright. Son of man, I make the hour plant the righteous seed. The wicked walk in a blind desire, but the truth burn like a fire. Every secret soon revealed, nothing hidden, stay concealed, stay concealed. Watchman in the night, calling out what is right, what is right. Jah light shine so bright, shine so bright, shine so bright, shine so bright. Flood, Jah lift standard in his blood. No more silence, no more sleep. Shoot away from the deep. Blow the trumpet in Zion, sound the alarm before it done. From the valley to the highest hill, Jah declare his sovereign will, sovereign will. Watchman in the night, calling out what is right, what is right. Jah light shine so bright, shine so Now the dawn begin to rise, truth reflect before all eyes. He who have ears, let him hear Jah message coming clear. From the darkness into the day, watchman never fade away. Give thanks for the truth revealed, Jah word forever sealed, forever sealed. Night, 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 when the righteous stand and endure till the end, Jah place crown upon them head. Through the fire, through the pain, still the faithful shall remain. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. From the valley to the throne, Jah claim his own, his own. Crown of glory, shine so bright,
Shine so bright,
given to the righteous life,
righteous life,
Jah reward forever sure,
ever sure.
ever sure. Fight the good fight, keep the faith, walk the path to the star. Though the winds may rise and the waters roar, Jah remain forevermore. Storm cloud gather in the sky, still I stand, I know deny that endure unto the end shall be saved. Through every trial, Jah make a way. Lightning flash, but the roots stay strong. I and I carry on, endure the storm, hold firm and strong. Jah guide I all along. When the flood rise up in the night, just stand firm as guiding light. No foundation built on sand, only truth shall stand. The rain fall hard, but the house remain built on rock. No fear of pain, from the valley to the hilltop high. Jah never pass I by. Endure the storm, hold firm and strong. Jah guide I all along. Every trial shape the soul, every test make I hold. Fire burn but it refine, make the spirit shine. The race not given to the swift, but to the one who stand firm and persist. Through the pressure, through the strain, strength remain. Endure the storm, hold firm and strong. Jah guide I all along. Now the clouds begin to clear, Jah presence ever near. From this struggle into peace, all the pressure cease. Give thanks for the strength I gain, every loss turn into gain. From this storm into the light, Jah make it right, make it right. Storm, storm. Storm. From the valley to the light, now we rise out of the darkness into the day. Jah show I the righteous way. Through the fire, through the storm, still I stand and transform. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Rise above at any length, from the dust unto the sky. Jah lift thy eye, lift thy eye, lift thy eye. Rise. Lift your voice to the sky, Jah light never die. No more sorrow, no more pain. Former things fade away again. Every tear Jah wipe from me eye. Truth alone testify, from the struggle to the crown. Jah lift I from the ground. Every trial, every test, Still your presence gently flow through the valley where the shadows stay.
Mercy, light the way.
Light the way.
River of mercy,
Mercy, mercy,
flow through I.
flow through I.
Wash me clean,
Wash me clean,
make me whole.
creating I a cleaner. Told ya, renew me spirit from afar. Cast me not away from thy sight. Keep I walking in thy light. Though me stumble, though me stray, still Jah guide I on the way. Grace so deep it never dry, like a river passing by, passing by.
River of mercy,
Mercy, mercy,
flow through I.
flow through I.
Wash me clean,
Wash me clean,
make me whole.
mercy. As far as east from west remove, so me sin no longer prove. No more burden, no more shame. Jah restore me name. Tears once fall in a silent night. Know me heart feel peace and light. From the ashes new life grow. Mercy
Overflow,
overflow.
river of mercy,
Mercy, mercy,
flow through I.
flow through I.
Wash me clean,
Wash me clean.
make me whole.
No me stand with humble heart, knowing Jah was there from start. Every breath and every day, mercy lead the way. From the darkness into grace, light now shine upon me face. River never running dry, till the day I die. Never dry.
River of mercy,
Mercy, mercy,
flow through I.
flow through I.
Wash me clean,
Wash me clean.
make me whole. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy.
Mercy, mercy, mercy. Few still stand. Few still stand. Many are called, but few are chosen. Still I stand, though the path seem frozen. Narrow road where the faithful trod, guided only by the hand of Jah. Though the world turn cold and strange, truth and rights never change. From the valley to the rising sun, the remnant stand as one. Remnant stand, 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 firm in Jah hand. Truth never fall, though many may fall. A little flock, fear not. Jah still hold every righteous thought. Though the wicked multiply, still the faithful testify. Like a tree planted by the stream, roots run deep unseen. Storm may shake but never break. Strength awake, eyes upon the higher call. Stand upright though others fall. No compromise, no disguise. Truth reflect before me eyes. From the fire fire to the rain, still the roots remain. Few but strong, never bend, till the end. Foundation of truth. Foundation of truth. If the foundation be destroyed, what shall the righteous do? Still I stand firm in a truth, not by might and not by gold, but by the word Jah told. From the beginning it was said,
Truth and rights,
no man forget.
though
the world may shift and change, Jah Law remain the same.
remain the same.
Remain the same. Foundation of truth. Stand firm and never move.
Never move.
Jah word forever proof.
Forever proof.
Like a house built on solid rock. Storm may come but it can't be shook. Wind may blow and rain may fall, still the truth outlasts them all. Fast foundation built on sand, soon collapse by Jah hand. Holy truth remains secure, ever pure, ever pure. Foundation of truth. Stand firm and never move.
Never move.
Jah word forever proof.
Forever proof.
La 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 la. Heaven and earth shall pass away, but Jah word forever stay. From the root unto the tree, truth bring liberty. Every lie must fade away when the light reveal the day. From the valley to the throne, truth alone, truth alone. Foundation of truth. Stand firm and never move.
Never move.
Jah word forever proof.
Forever proof.
Now me stand on solid ground, where true wisdom can be found. No deception, no disguise. Truth reflect before me eyes. From beginning